Hello there, I'm George from Audiophile Heaven, and this is my review, or rather introductory video, of the AIO Triangle Connect wireless music streamer device. This video is sponsored, or rather brought to you by Hi-Fi Expert Romania, a shop dealing with a lot of high-end hi-fi devices. So this is the device, AIO Triangle. It is compatible with Spotify, Deezer, Tidal, and other music applications. It has a lot of bells and whistles. Here you can see the specifications. So what this is, you may be wondering, because it's quite a unique device. This is a wireless music streamer. What this does, this connects to your Wi-Fi network and helps you stream music from your smartphone to your speaker setup or to your headphones. For now, let's unbox the product itself and we'll talk a bit more about it a bit later. This is the device. As you can see here, this is the AIO Triangle. It is a very nice device. It looks very nice and feels nice to the touch. This is, I think it is stainless steel. It is designed nicely. It is quite small, as you can see here, not very big. Compare this to the size of my smartphone. It is not very big. This is the AIO Triangle. And there are a few other things inside the package, as you can see here. Those are the accessories it comes with, and a little bag of silica to keep it dry. So, I intended to do that. This is the antenna. It is a little antenna. You can use it to connect the AIO Connect. It's a normal antenna. I think you can buy a larger antenna if you want to, but I like the design of this little one. It looks better like this. But I also have tried it with upgraded antennas and they work. This is the 3.5mm cable to two RCI connectors for your speakers. This is usually a setup used for speakers. This is the 3.5 to 3.5 cable. This is to connect it to anything that has an auxiliary input, like most speakers would have. And this is the power cable, micro USB power. I wish they used Type-C. I have very few devices that still rely on the micro USB connector. I do not like micro USB very much nowadays. But anyways, this is the power brick. This connects to your power supply, power outlet. I think you can use the AIO Triangle with a battery or a battery pack for smartphones or your computer, or I don't know. I mean, I kind of see its purpose as a music streamer, but having this and having it connected to your power supply kind of kills the mood for streaming music from your wireless router. Now, besides the power, which is a little issue, you need to use their own applications to stream music from your smartphone. This is the application. It does not work if I don't have the AIO plugged in. So you need to keep that in mind. Now, the device itself is quite interesting. If you ask me, I haven't tested any other streamers at this moment. This is the only streamer I am reviewing for now. I will be receiving others in the future, but for now this is the main one I'm going to be talking about. So what it does, this one connects to your Wi-Fi router. It receives Wi-Fi information through this antenna, and it streams that music through your speakers, like the ones I have there, as you can see, my Edifier speakers, or through something like the Mytek Brooklyn DAC Plus, which I have there. This is the Mytek Brooklyn DAC Plus. So it streams music to one of those. Now, what it does, what this means, it means that this one has a DAC and an amplifier chip in it. So you need to keep that in mind. I do not know what DAC chip is inside. I couldn't find the specifications for that. I have looked for them, but I'll continue looking and send them mail to the AIO company. Now, since on the back it has a power, an optical, a stereo jack, and a LAN port. Now this means that you can also connect it via cable to your router, but that kind of kills the purpose of it being a wireless music streamer after all. Now the stereo jack can be used to power headphones. You can plug in headphones in this one, and shockingly they actually sound quite good with it. This is a very good source for headphones. I am not suggesting you replace your current portable player or amplifier with this, but it sounds good, so that may be an option. Now if you could also strap on a battery pack to it and use it portably connected to your Wi-Fi router, this could be an interesting way to carry your music with you, like, I don't know, artists do on stage. It's an interesting concept, really. Now, as I was saying, you need to use the smartphone to connect it to your music, which is a bit of an issue because their application is not very good. You need to integrate Tidal with it. You need to integrate your favorite streaming application with their application, with the IAO application. And for browsing music that is already on your smartphone, I actually met one issue, but it's a glaring issue. It doesn't show my folder hierarchy. Instead, it shows a list of my folders, which kind of defeats the purpose, because having a list of all my folders without a hierarchy means that it's problematic to browse that list. I cannot find what I'm looking for. I spend a lot of time trying to find that, and it's not a very fun activity. On the other hand, the sound is very good. I tested the optical as well with the Brooklyn Mytek, as you have the one you have seen there. It sounds quite good. It sends FLAC music. It can send lossless signals, so it doesn't affect sound quality very much. The optical jack here, the SPDIF jack, as you can see here, is a data port, so you are not going to lose any kind of information from its DAC amp conversion. It is priced quite normally at 125 euros for a device that can do so many things. This is a good price. I wouldn't complain about the price much. It is priced well. Compared to many other music streamers, this is a very good price. It is small, as you can see here, pretty compact compared to a smartphone. This is the largest smartphone I know of. This is Mi Max 3 from Xiaomi, so this is a large smartphone. Compared to even a large smartphone, it looks okay as in size. So this is the IAO Connect, IAO Triangle Connect. I think it is a good device. I will be reviewing it in depth on Audiophile Heaven. I will be doing more tests with it. I will be driving a few headphones from it, which I know it isn't its main purpose, but which it does quite well, so why not use it that way, if it can be used that way. Now, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you will consider subscribing to my upcoming YouTube channel, and I hope you will check out Hi-Fi Expert from Romania if you need any kind of devices like this one or more expensive speakers and such. Of course, if you are from Romania, otherwise you should check out with your local IAO dealers. I thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a lovely day in there. Hope to see you soon.